to write them. Go ahead, Conejo. Conejo is writing right now. Look, the capital D is like a tall stick with a big bump on the right side. It looks great, Conejo. The lowercase d is like a stick with a little bump on the left. Notice that the big D has its bump on the right and the lowercase d has it on the left. Great job, Conejo! G is for dog or door and drum. Can you say them with us? Now, dog! Yay! And now, door! And finally, drums! Yay! Now, let's move on to capital E. Yay! Conejo will write it first. The capital E looks like a ladle with 3 steps. Excellent, Conejo! And the lowercase e looks like a snail shell, just like Conejo does. Yay! Well done, Conejo! Every time you practice, you get better and learn faster, just like Conejo has done. Now, we'll look at some great examples for the letter E. E is for elephant, ear, and eagle. Let's say them together. Elephant. Yay! Ear. Yay! And eagle. Finally, we'll look at the letter F. Yay! Conejo is getting ready to teach us how to write it. Ready, Conejo? The capital F is a tall line with 2 short arms. The lowercase f is a small stick with a line across the middle. Great job, Conejo! Now we look at some examples for letter F. F is for flower, fire, and family. Fantastic too! Awesome! Today we learned D, E, and F. Nice! Practice at home by writing them and singing along with us. Yay!
D is for dog that runs in the park. E is for elephant, big and smart. F is for flower that shines in the sun. Learning our letters is always fun. D, E, F, let's sing
episode.